What's up guys, Connor here, back with another video. Today I got something special coming in the mail. Hopefully it'll come soon rather than later. It says by the end of the day, so if I can't get to it today, I'll get to it in the next couple days, but hopefully we can get to it today and install it today. Got a big surprise coming, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's start the video. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I got a new bed, so that's pretty cool, you know. So just changing it up a bit, and yeah. What do we got here? It's actually not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. Alright, let's dive into this. And would you look at that? It's a box within a box. Alright. So we have our, this is going to be the part that hooks the air filter onto the throttle body. So we got that. Here's the heat shield here. We got our hose clamps here. The rubber part that goes on top of the heat shield that is like a weatherproof type thing for the hood. And we got the air filter itself in here. At least I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I mean, there's nothing left in the box, so it's gotta be the air filter. And then it's a nice material too. It smells good. And it's kind of like a rubbery type feel, but it smells good. So without further ado, let's go install this on the car. Always got a car, please. Yeah.
Oh. Hi.
Alright, so.
You have to like say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Jeez, you even know how to do a YouTube channel?
Alright, so there's instructions in here, but what are these instructions?
Wait, I don't understand what this even is.
Okay, so.
Probably people don't know what it is either, so.
Well, I mean, if they're car people, they would know. But
hey, maybe there's not car people watching. Maybe there's like some like thirsty ass code watching it or something.
Basically, air intake goes right here. There's a throttle body, and the way cars work is it mixes air and fuel together to make combustion in the cylinder. So the way that this is set up is really restricted because the air has to go through here, through the top of this, through an air filter that's in here, out the side over here, and then through and into the intake manifold. So it's almost like if you put on like one of those masks, so when you're sick, it's hard to breathe through them because it's really restricted. So when you put something on like an air intake, aftermarket air intake, it's like removing one of those. Like you wouldn't want to go running with one of those on because then it's really hard to breathe and then you pass out. Yeah. So it basically is the same thing for this car or any car. It's just less restrictive airflow, so it makes it run better. And yeah, that's why we're going to be doing that today. And it also increases power for your car. Not by much, but it just makes it more responsive with the throttle because the air doesn't have to get from here all the way through this and get to the throttle body. So when you press the throttle, there's like a valve in the throttle body that allows air to go in and out. that. So when you press the throttle, then it opens the valve. So that throttle response from the air going in will be better. So basically what we gotta do is we have to take this off, take this off, take this off, and then we'll bolt that in. I mean, there's instructions here, so we will be using the instructions.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't need them.
No, I mean, it's pretty straightforward.
Plays back. We don't need the instructions.
So basically, if you get this Neuspeed kit for your car, it's about $290 on ECS tuning, and yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. Gotta get my tools.
Can you do that? No, because you're wearing flip-flops. But if you're wearing Birkenstocks, then you could.
It literally just says take this off by doing this.
I'm gonna try. Okay. Wait, isn't it a time lapse yet? Is this what it is? This is how much... Instagram and Snapchat, so she's typing on her computer, like, downloaded Instagram on her computer. Hey, you got it! She thinks I'm already at the Russian River.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's like, my phone has been really messed up. I don't have Instagram on there anymore, or Snapchat. It was really sad. All 800 of my New York vacation photos got deleted. 800 of her New York photos got deleted.
Really?
Oh.
Oof. That's a chop.
That's such a chop. Oh my god.
Look how much smaller it looks in there now.
Where? Whoa. That's cool.
Alright, so now that you got that off, next part's really easy. You just need to take this. I made a huge mistake and just completely butchered this, so oh well. But yeah, that's quite a bit of weight to remove. Obviously, if you're just going to replace the air filter is right there. But this is really restrictive, as you can see, for airflow. So it's really good that you replace it. There we go. So now that you get the crankcase hose off, now you need to undo the hose clamp for the throttle body. And then you can take this off. It's time to install the parts, and my hands are really dirty. Want a hug?
Oh my god. Wait. Ew.
It's charcoal rub.
It'll be great for your skin.
Charcoal face
Oh my god,
rub,
babe,
yeah.
you can make a facial out of it. Get all this
Look
blood.
how clean it inside is though.
Did you clean it? Wait, where? Wait.
You know, like the inside and all this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Like, look at this. Like, it's actually really clean in here.
Oh wow. Yeah, because it's like not.
It's an air filter, right? So that air's supposed to be filtered. Yeah. So when you're doing that, just make sure none of that.
That's my hair tie.
Yeah, I know.
Where did you find it?
It's in my room.
Where?
I was waiting until you noticed it.
Yes. Wait. Oh, on your wrist. Wait,
Yeah.
Where was it in your room? I was looking for it.
It was on the
yesterday.
floor. Oh, I cut myself too.
Where? Here?
Here, because I yanked
Are
it
you
off
okay?
and it got cut on. Yeah,
Look.
I'm fine. Dirty boy.
Dirty boy.
Kind of don't want to get this dirty, to be honest.
Do you want me to pick it up?
No.
Here's where I come in, guys.
Okay, yeah,
See,
this is
he
where-
doesn't actually need me for anything. He just
Alright,
needs me to
so-
like lift things up, you know, take pictures.
So the bigger size.
Do you need this?
Yeah, I need that.
I actually love
So the
the
bigger-
feeling of this.
The bigger side is gonna go, not go. So this side's gonna go on here. And then no. So you want to face it that way. Yeah, there you go, like that. A little bit further this way. Wait, hold on. Hold on a second.
Honestly, it looks like duct tape.
Outside is kind of like that, but it's not. If you look on the inside. It's
Yeah, no, I know. You're gonna have to like wash your hands so much. Like,
all right. This goes on here,
how?
like that, and then just stick that on here.
Like that.
Just push it on as far as it can go, and twist it. That's good. Twist it this way.
This?
Twist this that way. So maybe take it off and then redo it. Alright, after you struggle like that for a while. Dang. It's hard to get on there. But I did. I got it on there. It's good. Now we put the MAV sensor. Put something else on there. Alright, now we're almost done. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick so I can install an air filter, but then we're pretty much done. Alright. Now for the piece de resistance. I try to clean my hands, they're not 100% clean, but so you're ready to go. I just gotta put the air filter on, Dad. It's just a fireball. Yeah. Alright, you're good. Stop. Start wrench. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you want to hear it? No. It's probably not going to make a difference in sound. It's not going to make a difference at all. Well, we can see.
Well, we'll wait and see.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the install. I'll take it out on drive really soon and see what the difference is. In the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed.